Max Can Do It. Written by Charlotte Raby.
B. Rex had fun dashing about. She had fun crashing in the trees. Max Rex was not like his sister. He was not big. He had fun looking at things. B. Rex had fun swinging in the trees. She was quick. Max said, "I cannot do that. I am not quick." He had fun plodding and squelching in the mud. B. Rex had fun shouting and hunting. Max said, "I cannot do that. I am not loud." He had fun looking at bugs under rocks. Max went to swim in a deep pool. Then, crash, smash! Max sprang up and out of the pool. Ouch! Help! B had got stuck up a tall tree. "I am tied up! Help me, Max!" she said. Max looked up at B. "I can do that," he said. He got help. Soon they had a ladder. "Grab the ladder, B," said Max. Max got B back to the ground. "I cannot do that, Max," said B.